Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And Merry Christmas! Oh yeah, we're having Christmas in July. That's right, and I would like to welcome you all to my Christmas in July. We are going to unbox a mystery box, and this is a Christmas decor holiday box, and it was a mystery, and it was available for $45, and I decided to give it a try. There's no strings attached, and here it is. It's the holiday haul box. It's the jingle delivered. Now, I don't know what holiday we're going to get in here. It's a mystery. So it may not even be Christmas, but I'm calling it Christmas in July for today. And we are going to celebrate a little bit early for Christmas. This is a subscription box that you can get. You get home decor for whatever holiday is around that time. So, you know, I guess like 4th of July, they probably had a box full of 4th of July decor. But whatever it is on a monthly basis. And I am not subscribed to this. I only bought the mystery box for $45. So let's take a peek and find out what we have. I can tell you, not only is their box decorative on the outside, they've got it wrapped up on the inside. So that's kind of nice, isn't it? We're going to have to break the seal. They've got the little foozle papers in there, and then this is their box. It's a little bitty sneak peek, and it looks like we have a question mark on there, and it's called the Encore Mystery Box. We hope you enjoy the Haul a Day decor. We selected it especially for you and your home. Want more? Subscribe and receive 10% off your first box. And then they've got a code on there for that. And then on the back, y'all may have already seen it, it says thank you. So wasn't that very sweet? So this was the Encore mystery box. So my understanding is going to be packed full of some of their more favorite items in past boxes, but not for sure until we get in there. So let's open up and see. I can see right away we're going to have a little St. Patrick's Day. Isn't this cute? This is like, oh, I don't know what kind of fiber material you call that. It's like it's knitted really tight, and we have a shamrock on there. It's green on the back, and I don't know if it gives us retail price or not. No, it does not. It just gives us the manufacturer or the decor company, C&F Home. So very cute. I love that. That'll be a nice little prop to have when we're around St. Patty's Day. Let's see the next item. This whole box could be full of St. Patty's Day. I have no clue. I know I'm doing Christmas in July. Uh-oh. Well, this says Pumpkin Farm. So this directs me to fall. So we've got a little bit of fall here. And again, I have no clue how much any of these items are. And this is a little sign that you can hang up during fall for pumpkins, and then direct them to the area for pumpkins. Very cute. Our next item I see in here has an L on it, and I'm going to have to say this looks like another item for St. Patty's Day, wouldn't you say? Does the L stand for leprechaun? I'm going to see if I can get in here. Have any of you ever bought anything from the holiday haul box? This is my first time. I know we have an L, and I see some string. So, oh, okay. So it says Lucky. Look at that. I guess we'll start over here with the L. And then Lucky. So more holiday decor for St. Patty's Day. And that's cool because, you know, I don't know if I have that much for St. Patty's Day. So now I'm getting stocked up on it, that's for sure. These will be great little decor items. Now the next item I see looks like it might be a candle or a candle holder, I'm not sure. Let's pull all the paper out and see what we have. This is like Christmas in July, and this looks like it's for the holiday of Halloween. Isn't that pretty? Can y'all see that? That is beautiful. It has skulls and pumpkins, and it's, I don't know, it's glass, okay? And it's iridescent, and you got all those colors going through there like a mirror. I can see myself in a weird kind of a way. Can you? Wow, that's beautiful. So this can be a glass, or we could put a candle down in there. You know, like one of those little tea candles. Wouldn't that be beautiful? And just light up. Oh, I love that. And I don't know if it tells us what it is. Very beautiful. Okay, well now I got me some Halloween decor there. Let's see what the next item is. Okay, some little tea candles. So you know what? That's making me think this is supposed to sit down in there. Can you see the little candles? I'm going to leave that intact. But they're little candles, and they're sitting in little tea lights. And I'm not certain that you can see that. 180 it says. It doesn't tell us what it is, but just you can see they're candles. And they're like little tea light candles, and they're sitting on like one of those little tea lights. I can see that. I'm not sure if y'all can through the plastic and through the camera. Alright guys, the next item I'm seeing is, oh, now we're into Thanksgiving. Always thankfuls. That is very pretty. I like that. It's just a square little wooden box that's been decorated with the fall leaves, and it's got the always thankful. So we're going through quite a few of the holidays. This is actually a nice little box. What do y'all think? Let's see what else we have in here. I see one more thing, maybe two more. Looky here, this is Valentine's Day, so they just gave us a variety. I love the little red hearts. It's kind of like red and pink. Very pretty. That'll be nice for the holidays. And be a nice little prop for my little pictures that I do of my puppies sometime. We have one more thing in here. I'm not sure what it says, but it must be for Christmas. The most wonderful time of the year. And this is a table runner. Isn't that pretty? Oh yeah. Okay guys, this box was excellent. For a nice little mystery box, to get a little bit of all the seasons, and I guess that's a great way to give us a little sampling of what you could expect if you get a box that's for the full season. So you all let me know what you think, and I'm going to try to find out how much this is. Okay, I did go and check out their site real fast because I was so impressed with my little mystery Encore box, and it is $79.99 per box, free shipping, and it is a 6 to 7 box subscription, so you're not going to get it monthly like I thought. It is more seasonal, directed toward the holiday, and the next box that they are getting prepared for is Halloween, so it would be your Halloween decor, and that one will come out in September from the way I understood it. And they do have that 10% discount on when you go to the website, and it's holidayhaul.com. I'll have it down in the description so you'll know exactly where to go, but you can also do an annual subscription. I don't know if it's less money, but you can do an annual and you can customize a little bit. And you can also maybe pick and choose some of your seasons. So there are some advantages to doing a yearly subscription. Now, I don't know if I'm going to do this yet, but I will say I'm very impressed with what I just got. So you all tell me, what do you think? I mean, you're talking about all the major holidays. And the only one we didn't see in this one was the 4th of July, and that's probably because this is July and they just had their July box. So that would probably kind of explain that, because I did see some decor for 4th of July, some advertising. So, what do you think? What was your favorite thing out of all of this? Guys, I am just like blown away by this glass. And I know when you set that little tea light candle in there and it's going to shine from the inside out, that is going to be awesome. So this is my favorite item, and my second favorite item. I'm gonna say this because I am always thankful. Do you have a favorite item? Let's do a recap. We had the holiday table runner that says the most wonderful time of the year all along the sides of it, the whole length. And this is made out of a canvas type fabric, very sturdy, and of course the colors are just perfect for Christmas. We also got the Always Thankful little stand plaque, great for decorating, and of course we got this I want to call it like a type of lantern, because once you put your candles in there, it's going to look like a little lantern. I just love this, guys. And then the next item we got was a little tea towel full of hearts for the Valentine's Day. And then we got our lucky decorations for the shamrocks of St. Patty's Day, which you know y'all be seeing this in my decor when it gets that time of year. And then of course this lovely pillow. So for $45, I feel like I got like a wow steal of a mystery deal. What do you think? Oh, and we did also get our little pumpkin sign. So it covered all the seasons, like I said, except for the July, because that's obviously the season they're in right now. And we got current things or things from their past boxes. And I'm just real pleased with it. And I hope you are too. And I hope you had a nice Christmas in July with me today. I sure did. I got some nice surprises. Now guys, be sure and check my description, because I do have some giveaways out there. Some are ending or have ended, but I do have some surprise giveaways, and I have collaboration coming up real soon. I've got an after 6 evening collaboration coming up with some beautiful women, and I know you're going to want to see that. And that will be coming out Saturday. And then I have another little, I guess you'd say, haul top collaboration coming out the following Saturday. And then in the first week in August, we've got another one. So about 3 weeks in a row, you'll be seeing some collabs on this channel, along with some other ladies and gentlemen. I'm not sure. I think we're all ladies in these collabs, but I don't want to exclude anybody just in case. So hey guys, that's all I have today, and I really loved my holiday haul. It was the holiday haul box, and I really enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.